Good day everyone. I'm Remark Rollon, a computer science student. In this video, I will show you the process of human reproduction.
Before I will show you the process of human reproduction, we all know that we are not here right now without the human reproduction. That is why it is important to have knowledge about this matter.
A man may ejaculate 40 million to 150 million sperm, which start swimming upstream towards the fallopian tubes on their mission to fertilize an egg. Fast swimming sperm can reach the egg in a half an hour, while others may take days. The sperm can live up to 48 to 72 hours. Only a few hundred will even come close to the egg because of the many natural barriers that exist in a woman's body. The journey starts during the sexual intercourse. About 150 million sperm enter the vagina. Soon afterward, millions of them will either flow out of the vagina or die in its acidic environment. However, many survive because of the protective elements provided in the fluid surrounding them. Next, the sperm must pass through the cervix and opening into the uterus. Usually, it remains tightly closed, but here the cervix is open for a few days. While the woman ovulates, the sperm swim through the cervical mucus, which is thin to a more watery consistency for easier passage. Once inside the cervix, the sperm continues swimming towards the uterus, through millions will die trying to make it through the mucus. Some sperm remain behind caught in the folds of cervix, but they may later continue the journey as backup to the first group. Inside the uterus, muscular uterine contraction assist the sperm on their journey towards the egg. However, resident cells from the woman's immune system mistaking the sperm for foreign invaders destroy thousands more, neck half the sperm head for the empty fallopian tube, while the others half swim towards the tube containing the unfertilized egg. Now, only a few thousand remain inside the fallopian tube. Tiny cilia push the egg towards the uterus. To continue, the sperm must surge against the motion to reach the egg. Some sperm get trapped in the cilia, die during the part of the journey. Chemicals on the reproductive tract cause the membranes covering the heads of the sperm to change. As a result, the sperm become hyperactive, swimming harder and faster toward their destination. At long last, the sperm reach the egg. Only a few dozen of original 150 million sperm remain. The egg is covered with a layer of cells called the corona radiata. The sperm must get through this layer to reach the outer layer of the egg, the zona pellucida. When sperm reach the zona pellucida, they attach to specialized sperm receptors on the surface, which triggers their acrosomes to release digestive enzymes, enabling the sperm to burrow into the layer inside the pellucida is a narrow, fluid-filled space just outside the egg cell membrane. The first sperm to make contact will fertilize the egg after a perilous journey, and against incredible odds, a single sperm attaches to the egg cell membrane. Within a few minutes, their outer membranes fuse and the egg pulls the sperm inside. This event causes changes in the egg membrane that prevent other sperm from attaching to it. Next, the egg releases chemicals that push over the sperm away from the egg and create an impenetrable fertilization membrane.
The fertilized egg starts growing fast, dividing into many cells. It leaves the fallopian tube and enters the uterus 3 to 4 days after fertilization. The cells continue to divide, becoming a hollow ball of cells called blastocyst. The blastocyst implants in the wall of the uterus about 6 days after fertilization. The blastocyst attaches to the lining of the uterus, usually near the top. This process, called implantation, is completed by 9 or 10. The wall of the blastocyst is 1 cell thick, except in one area where it is 3 to 4 cells thick. The inner cells in the thickened area develop into the embryo, and the outer cells burrow into the wall of the uterus and develop into the placenta.
So that is the process of human reproduction. Thank you for watching.